Hey everyone, so I want to unbox with you this parcel. So we have the Hairworld catalogue for all the headwear. Lovely headwear. The Hairworld catalogue for all the beautiful styles. If you haven't heard of Hairworld, it's a beautiful company based in the UK. I love their styles. They look so good. The quality is amazing. Beautiful wigs. Really natural looking. Just gorgeous styles. So what we have is like a care set. Especially if you're new to wigs, if you buy your first wig, I would say having a care set is so useful. So in here you have the Hairworld shampoo, conditioning spray and control shape spray. You have a stand, wig cap, and you have a Hairworld brush. Everything you need. So let's look at Drew. This is a short style. It comes nicely packaged. Just look at the color, 14H. Let's look at the cap construction quickly. So it's basically a basic cap, but you have a mono crown. So you will see some scalp appearance here. Otherwise, it's open wefts, velvet ear tabs, extended velvet nape with velcro adjusters. Permatease wise, there is a little bit. Let me just shake this just to wake up the fibers, to make it not look so clumped up. Especially shorter styles, you really want to try and get things moving. Oh, it's a cute short Pixie. Always play with the wig. Move it to the right place. 4 fingers from the bridge of the nose. And then you can play with it. So get in there first. That's what I do with the really short ones, is get in there first. Really move all the fibers away from the cap. And then you look a bit funny, but you know. And then just move it to where you want it. You obviously can use some kind of hairspray, etc. In my care pack, I have this shape spray. So I might use that just to get things a little bit where I want them, just to highlight also the layers a little bit. And that always feels like I have my bio hair when you can use products and things. Like to tuck one side on those short ones, but obviously completely up to you. This smells really good. By the way, because you don't have a monofilament, you can move this all where you want it. Oh, I might actually like this more this way. See, it's all about playing with it. Find what you like on you. And then probably just tuck this side instead. And then use a little bit more spray because I just moved it all to the other side. Let's look at it from all sides. Nape is long enough to move without showing the cap. Yeah, this is Drew by Hairworld in the color 14H. Tell me what you think.